Put cinnamon powder on the door of your home. And the next day, you will not believe the results you will have. In addition to using cinnamon powder, throwing directly under the entrance mat of your home, there are other ways to use also that will surely bring only positive energies to your home and your family. Another infallible tip that is passed between many generations is to use cinnamon powder to attract money, love, and health. It is very simple. Just by putting a small amount of cinnamon powder in a plastic bag and putting it in your bag or even in your wallet, it will already bring great results. It can also be placed inside the wardrobe. The last way to use cinnamon powder in this tip is directly in a container at a small amount. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Charlene George from North Carolina. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Another item that is indispensable is garlic. It is only necessary to use 3 cloves of garlic. The way I am doing to finish, it is only necessary to add also a bay leaf. If nothing works and you feel you have no solution for bad luck in your life, this will surely solve once and for all, not only serving to attract luck. This also acts directly in the fight against insects. These various tips will totally change your life. Cinnamon powder is fully responsible for ending the bad energies, both in your home and in your business. It also serves to bring luck and abundance to your family. Many people use cinnamon powder only for meals, but these tips we use directly for good changes in your life and your family. Now for opening the way luck, money, and prosperity. Let's put a little cinnamon in the palm of each hand. Let's rub each other. And then just mind everything you want with great conviction. I'm sure all the improvements for your life will come with these tips. I hope you have all the desired result for the use of these tips. Tell me later if you got the desired result. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.